Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the difference between circles, parabolas, ellipses, and hyperbolas. So the first thing is that with circles, x and y are squared and the coefficients are equal. So whenever this is written in its standard form, we have, here's just an example, something like 3x squared minus 12x plus 3y squared equals 2. So notice that these two things are the same. We have 3 and 3. So that's how you can really tell that this is a circle. With a parabola, either x or y are squared, so just one or the other. So an example is y equals x squared minus 4. So only one of them is squared with a parabola. With an ellipse, x and y are squared. Both coefficients are positive, but not equal. So here is an example of an ellipse. 3x squared minus 9x plus 2y squared plus 10y minus 6 equals 0. So you can see that both coefficients are positive, both of them are squared, but they are not equal. So that's what differentiates it from a circle. A hyperbola, x and y are squared, coefficients are not equal, and only one is positive. So for example, 4y squared minus 10y minus 3x squared equals 12. So the differentiating factor here, or really the difference between all of them, is dealing with the squareds. So here, and then we also have here, these two, and these two. So you can see these are both positive and equal coefficients. This one, only one of them is squared, not equal, both positive, and then we have one positive, one negative, and not equal. So let's type these into Desmos, and we'll just see what the difference is between these. Or actually, let's just change up this formula that's right here. So this is a hyperbola. You can see that both of them are squared, and one of them is negative. So if I change this to a positive, we'll get an ellipse because we have both squared and different coefficients. So if we change this to a circle, what we'd have to do is make the values on the bottom to be equal. So here's our circle, just with the a and b values the same. You can see the difference between that and the hyperbola, or the ellipse. So there's our circle. And then if we were doing a parabola, the difference would just be that only one of them would be squared. So if I took away the squared on this, for example, you would get a parabola. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for what's up next. We're doing some adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing complex numbers. Goodbye.